I think the government work report also highlighted China's comprehensive strategic vision on economic and industry growth, which is aligned with our Cambodian government Pentagonal strategy, which set policy on economic development and industrial growth. China have developed a lot of sector and invest in a lot of sector in Cambodia, especially in infrastructure, industrial zone, digital economy, and even energy sector, which provide millions of jobs to our peoples and also push our economic to grow around 6% annually. I think Cambodia and China also have a close cooperation in key sector of environment and tourism. Recently, I have noticed the close cooperation between Ministry of Environment of Cambodia and Ministry of Natural Resources of China on sustainable ocean cooperation initiative, which outline the key areas on cleanliness, greenness, and sustainability, a key step in improving the environmental and friendly cooperation between the two ministries. The most important sector is tourism. China has become one of our biggest foreign visitors in recent years.